back at MIT and everything. So this is literally, I mean, you can see it's a mixed bag, but everything that's been up is on resistance. I think it's funny how just a month ago the market was going to hell and everyone's, if you look, it was like really, really bad. Let's take an example. Like, for example, I would just say AMD even. Look at this. Boom. No. We're going around here. What is this level? Look, it's going to tell me if we short it all the way down to the next bottom and go up. What are we going to do? We'll get to 314. This is AMD. It didn't get to 314. It went all the way to 469. Look at that. Here's support and resistance for the month. Notice how these are pre-calculated. So at the end of April, May 2026's numbers are known. That's resistance 2, resistance 1. That's called the pivot or the average of the market, and that's support. So you can see, whoops, right here, I'll take the sniper scope out of the way. That's a functionality thing. Look at that. It literally sold off at resistance 2, and it gapped. You can see even where it gapped from, that was an 11.9% gap, I believe, from pivot to resistance 1. So all these numbers are generated by the computer. It's not because we're these great traders or made millions of dollars in our careers and now we're doing really well and all this stuff. And it has nothing to do with that. Anyone can do this. All you have to do is go to algos.ai and sign up. We don't have subscriptions either, so you're never going to get screwed over by your credit card and looking. You buy a week pass, you buy a 3-month pass, you buy a year pass. It's pretty straightforward, much like Mint Mobile's business model.